ChatGPT has revolutionized the way people approach online income opportunities. In 2025, it remains one of the most powerful tools to generate $500 per day. Freelancing is lucrative. Use ChatGPT to offer services like writing and editing to multiple clients, maximizing your earning potential. Identify in-demand niches, copywriting, blogging, or SEO. Use ChatGPT to draft posts and charge competitive rates. Digital products can generate passive income. Create ebooks, templates, or online courses faster with ChatGPT. Ideas for digital products include ebooks, printables, and online courses. Market them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Affiliate marketing allows commissions by promoting products. ChatGPT helps create content to drive conversions. Choose high-paying programs and create SEO content. Use social media to drive traffic to your affiliate links. E-commerce is a top choice for steady income. Use ChatGPT to streamline listings, emails, and customer service. Find winning products and automate marketing. Platforms like Shopify can help you generate sales. Blogging and YouTube can provide steady income. ChatGPT helps with content creation for monetization strategies. Write posts or scripts efficiently. Monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Use ChatGPT to design AI-powered tools for businesses, like chatbots and email generators. Identify common business problems and market your AI solutions. Charge strategically to meet your income goals. Generating $500 per day with ChatGPT in 2025 requires creativity, planning, and effort, making AI your valuable asset.